I love this SanDisk. It is so tiny compared to my other SanDisk drives. It's 2 terabytes and it is perfect for MacBooks, but it also has a USB adapter if you don't have the C adapter. So it comes with this cord, so you don't have to buy one on your own. And it's super fast for writing. It's an SSD, so I'm using it for all of my video files and editing, and super, super happy with it. It's also good, it's water resistant. You just wanna make sure it dries off before you actually were to plug it in, right? And it's shock proof. So it's a good one if you're constantly traveling and trekking the world and you need something that's easy to bring with you. You can also put it on a little carabiner and take it with you anywhere you go. But this is gonna be a game changer, so I can put just video files on here, and then this is like my life stuff. So I'm not mixing the two, and I can keep my life organized. I think having multiple hard drives is very important.